occupied. Pero, ngayon, this is Cinema 3, right? Are you guys excited to watch the film? Sino dito excited na manood? Wow! Marami, pero bago tayo magpatuloy dito at mapanood ang pelikulang minamahal, I'd like to call in first Ashton Alviga, Andres Mulak, and of course, Jason Paulak Sabana! There we go. Grabe, powerhouse kung powerhouse. From one cinema to another. Kaya ba? Hello! Oh my gosh, everybody here is just so proud of the both of you. Pero, guys, tulad ng ginawa natin sa kabila, Andres, sino si Rafi? Anong dapat pinakabangan kay Rafi? Tell us about it.
Hello, good evening. Yes, si Rafi is one power enthusiast, shy lalaki, and he likes to show his love by giving flowers to Luna throughout the process of their love story or their journey.
There we go, I love it. Ashton, sino si Luna?
Sa akin naman, si Luna, independent girl siya na hindi siya ready tumanggap ng pagmamahal. Ngayon, dapat yung abangan kung paano mag-break ni Rafi yung walls niya.
There we go, Andres and Ashton. Pero, Direk, gusto kong marinig sa inyo yung sunod. Pero, Direk, gusto ko muna kantahan namin na happy birthday. Because it's your birthday, guys! Kantahan natin Direk JBL! Happy birthday to you! Everybody sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much. Wala daw kandila eh.
There we go! More power para sa iyo, Direk.
Salamat, salamat.
More art to make. Siyempre, Direk JBL yan. Direk, ano yung dapat nilang i-anticipate, abangan sa pelikula? Mapapanood natin dito ngayon, few seconds from now. Ano dapat natin?
Ihanda niyo na yung mga eardrums niyo kasi magtitilian.
Oh my gosh! Totoo talaga yun.
Pustahan man.
Tissue kailangan.
Depende. Wow!
Wow! Pero sige, ayan na. Alam mo, huwag natin patagalin pa. Picture muna kayo dito before we finally start the show. The critical and commercial success of recent local movies clearly indicates that Filipino moviegoers embrace not only high-budget movies, but also independent films with unique stories to be told. Ayan. Kaya guys, we have this thing called Republic Act number 10088, or the Anti-Concordia Act of 2010, and is punishable by imprisonment and imposition of fines. Further, creation and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to the movie.
Can I call on the production staff and the supporting cast?
Yes, of course, Direk.
Guys, punta kayo dito, hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, pagod na.
Again,
Punta kayo dito, please, para makag-group picture.
calling the prod staff and
please, ang ating associate producer, si Gina Velasquez.
hello po,
Dito
congratulations.
kayo guys, si Rain Yamson, ang ating director of photography and his department. Supporting cast. Supporting cast.
Also the rest of the cast, samahan niyo kami dito guys. The more the merrier.
Ito yung supporting cast. Dito na yung iba.
Ayan, tawagin natin yung iba
Si
pang
Pao, ang
partner.
ating music scorer. Ayan na yung supporting cast. Nakikita mo na. Yan, Lance. Ito. Si Lance. Ito si Lance. Ito kayo guys, para kasya tayo sa picture. Yung mga kayang magbaba. Dito sa harap. Sa harap yung iba. Naka-levels naman tayo.
Alright, smile for the camera. Smile. Picture tayo. We have here the prod staff and the rest of the cast of Minamahal. 1, 2, 3, smile. Picture, picture. Smile. There we go. Beautiful faces, beautiful smiles. Excited na mapanood yung kanilang pinaghirapan tonight.
Salamat guys. Ano next?
There we go. Maraming salamat. You can now go back to your seats and Be comfortable.
Thank you guys.
Ayan na po. Maraming salamat again. The movie is rated PG by the MTRCB, so invite your friends, families, and classmates. Kung mga kabarkada ka trabaho, pwede sa lahat ng mga edad. Again, we have this thing called the Anti-Concording Act of 2010, so hindi na po bago sa atin ito kalaman. We are not allowed to take videos, photos of the film to support it at magpatuloy tayo sa paggawa pa ng mas magandang obra. And yeah. The producers of Minamahal Isang Daang Bulaklak Para Kay Luna shall exercise all its rights and available remedies to impose civil and criminal liabilities against any pirates. The producers shall ensure that these pirates shall be punished to the full extent of the law. The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized and illegal links to legal@viva.com.ph. Again, guys, if you're gonna post something online, please make use of our official hashtags. Hashtag Minamahal Isang Daang Bulaklak Para Kay Luna, hashtag Minamahal Movie, hashtag Andres Pula, hashtag Ashton Alviga. Sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta sa atin mula day zero sa mga mall tours natin, hanggang ngayon na nakaupo na kayo dyan, papanoorin niyo yung pinaghirapan ng dalawang ito. Of course, Flicker, and of course, the rest of the cast of this beautiful movie, I'm sure you'll get excited. Are you guys excited to watch? Are you guys ready to cry? Ready to magkiligin? Sabi nga nila kanina, malalang tilian yung magaganap tonight. Kaya nakita ko yung mga eagles. Ayan, balikin nga rin ng mga tilian. Medyo mahina pa. Can I hear you guys? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Again, let us spread the good news na ngayong darating na September 24, showing na po ang Minamahal Isang Daang Bulaklak Para Kay Luna sa lahat ng mga sinihan. Wherever you are in this world, panoodin natin ito. Again, I'm CJ Villavicencio, saying goodbye, and please enjoy Minamahal Isang Daang Bulaklak Para Kay Luna. For now, I'm requesting everybody to please stand for the opening prayer.